Hi, my name is Jairo Urbano. I am the founder of PlusDato project. PlusDato is a solution for the industrial manufacturing. Production plants experiences standards and failures of their equipment, low speed operation, and product out of quality standards that reduce the manufacturing capacity, affect the productivity of companies, and reduce the return of their investments. PlusDato is a very flexible technological solution. It is highly adaptable to production lines. It allows to identify the operation in real time. It automatically measures the effective speed of the equipment and the quantity of products based on the quality standards. It helps companies to control their manufacturing processes and make them more productive. PlusDato extracts data from production equipment with minimal human intervention. Then, the data is processed to send alerts of the events that require immediate intervention, generate reports, provide basic information for the analysis of background problems, and calculate indicators. Our team consists of professionals in industrial engineering, system and computing engineering with a wide experience in the industry and the IT market. In addition, junior engineers are available for software development and appliances setup. Finally, the potential market in Colombia for PlusDato is estimated in at least $50 million per year, and the potential market for Latin America is 13 times greater than the Colombian market.